Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can attach a file in Mailchimp. So let's start. There are two ways how you can actually do it. The first way is when you're gonna be in your design, or how would I call it, your campaign editor, and you just want to simply click here on text, and let's just add here download now. I can't even write right now. I'm going to center it to the middle. I'm going to increase the size of it. And what can I do? I can simply click here on link next to the underline, and I can link to file. And when I link it to the file, I can choose whatever file I got here, insert, and file URL, insert. You can also advance options. You can open in a new window or the same window. And when I got it, it's automatically underlined, right? And I can increase the size. So this is the first way how we can do it. The second way is, let's delete this button here. Yes. Let's add a button. And now you're gonna see here button text. By now, I can simply go download here. Link to web address, change to file. Again, I'm going to choose the file here, insert, and I can simply preview now. Download now, buy now. And voila, this is how you do it. So these are the two ways how you can do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.